Hello guys, today let's see how we can clear the browsing history inside our Chrome web browser. So to do that, let us open our Chrome. This is the exact same process that we need to do in our Windows machine also, and it is almost same in the mobile application also. So what we need is just to go and click on these three dots, which is the more option here. So let us click on that, and you can find an option called history here, and you can see the recent tabs that you were opened before. And to see the entire history, you can click on this history option right over here. So this will take you to a page like this. So here you can see all your history, your previous searches, and you can select each of that by selecting or by checking these check boxes. If you want to clear any of the single or two or three items, you can select those from here and click on this delete button. So let me try to clear one. Okay, so the last YouTube search was history was deleted, and if you want to delete the entire history, or if you want to delete the history of the last 1 hour or last or the day on a single day or on the last week or something like that, then you can directly come to the left side and click on this clear browsing data button. So let's click on that. So from here you can choose the time range. Right now the default one is the last hour. That means all the history that was generated during the last 1 hour will be cleared. Okay, if you want to change the time range, you can click on that one and select anything like last 24 hours or last 7 days, that means a week, or last 4 days, a month, or the all time. If you select all time, the entire browsing history or the entire browsing data will be cleared. Okay, so right now let me show you with the last 1 hour, and make sure you check all these things if you want to clear everything. Okay, and just click on this clear data button. Okay, so right now we cleared the last 1 hour search histories and all the browsing data. Okay, and if you want to check it again, you can go to history and you can try refreshing it. So this is done in Sunday 21st January, so this is done months before. So let us clear the entire data here. Okay, if we clear the all time data, then it will remove the entire data. Okay, so that's how we usually use to clear our browsing history inside our Chrome web browser. So thank you for watching.